Cryptocurrency trading bots. A brief overview. Trading bots are automated programs that can execute trades on the cryptocurrency market without human intervention. Benefits. Discipline. Bots can follow trading strategies consistently without emotional biases. Speed. They can react to market changes faster than humans. Accuracy. Bots can execute trades precisely according to set parameters. Efficiency. They can manage multiple trades simultaneously and optimize trading strategies. Emotionless. Bots are not influenced by emotions like fear or greed, which can lead to poor trading decisions. Drawbacks. Cost. Developing and maintaining bots can be expensive. Risks. Bots can make mistakes due to coding errors or unforeseen market conditions. Legal limitations. The legality of using bots may vary by jurisdiction. Complexity. Setting up and managing bots can be technically challenging. Inability to adapt. Bots may not adapt well to sudden market changes or new trading strategies. Key points. Do your research. Choose a reputable bot and understand its features and limitations. Test thoroughly. Backtest and simulate the bot's performance before using it with real money. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor the bot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Use as a complementary tool. Don't rely solely on bots. Use them alongside your own trading skills. Understand the risks. Cryptocurrency trading is inherently risky, and bots do not eliminate those risks. Trading bots can be helpful tools, but use them with caution. Changes made. Kept the summary concise and removed points already covered earlier. Presented information in a bulleted format for better readability. Slightly adjusted the tone to be more conversational. Explained some technical terms for a general audience. Significantly reduced the length of the text.